Subtraction with negative numbers. Subtracting a negative number is the equivalent of addition. 5 minus negative 3 in parentheses equals to 5 plus 3 equals 8. Negative times negative results in positive. We will see why later. On the number line, we begin at 5, then move 3 units to the right, adding plus 3, landing on 8. Subtraction between negative numbers. When you subtract two negative numbers, you add the absolute value of the subtrahend to the minuend. The minuend is the first number, so the negative 5 in this case, and the subtrahend is the second number, so the negative 3 in this case. Here we have negative 5 in parentheses minus in parentheses negative 3 equals to negative 5 plus 3. This is because a negative times another negative equals to a positive. So negative 5 plus 3 equals to negative 2. On the number line, we start from negative 5 and move to the right because we have added 3. So negative 5 plus 3 equals to negative 2.